Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to activate Quick Launch into a Samsung Tab S8 Plus. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find Advanced Features, this one. Here you choose Side Case option, and first option in the list will be double press. Activate this option, and here we can choose Quick Launch Camera or Open Up, for example, Mail. Let's try. Now we quickly open camera. Double press our power key and camera is open. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.